Good morning and welcome in to the new members and to the old members that have found their way back to the community. I need you just as much as you need me to start off a very exciting trading week. We've got a lot of news and notes to get to. As we can see, we're not surprised in the community as Bitcoin's up to nearly 63,000. XRP's broken up ahead of 48 cents. And we talked about how it looked like we were starting to put in a potential bottoming pattern and that Bitcoin had backtested the pennant flag breakout perfectly. And now it seemed to be starting a new rally back to the top side. And we'll take a look at exactly where this can go. Did Bitcoin hit its potential target, or is there still more to come to the upside? We've got a lot of news and notes when it comes to XRP and Ripple, as we'll go through two bits of reading today as whales are on the move. Whales are on the move. XRP whales transfer 230 million XRP ahead of Judge Therez's final judgment. So we will definitely take a look at that. And then we'll take a look at Ripple June offload. 400 million XRP dumped. Latest 200 million XRP transfer raises eyebrows. So part of this 1 billion escrow dump, we've got news and notes of 400 million worth of this dump. But 200 million found its way into another wallet. And from what I had read before, it had about 7.9 million XRP in that wallet before. And now if you add the 200 million XRP, there's definitely something to it. So we'll take a look at all the news and notes when it comes to that. And we'll take a look at the technical analysis with XRP, as it is up 1.16% to start the new trading week. We'll take a look at Bitcoin, as it's pretty flat, but it's up 82 points on the day. And then we'll take a look at the XRP Bitcoin pairing. As we talked about last night during the live, I told everybody where I was going to buy it. It came down to 753 overnight, and I made my purchase I talked about last night. So I am in the XRP Bitcoin pairing. It's gone up about a percent since I bought it, but I bought it for a continued appreciation. So we'll go over that as well to see what we're looking at when it comes to the XRP Bitcoin pairing. But please make sure to hit that like button so that YouTube will recommend this update. By you hitting that like button, YouTube does recommend this. It shows up on the YouTube news feeds and allows not just the members that know of the community, but ones who may have never heard of our community before will be able to come listen to the content. And it's a beautiful thing. Usually about 1 in every 9.4 people hit that like button. If we could just get it up to 3 in every 9.4, it would make such a tremendous difference as far as our reach and the amount of people that do show up to the community. I appreciate the 12 new subscribers yesterday to the channel. So if you do appreciate the work, don't forget to subscribe and join the other 22,160 plus subscribers now, as I thank you for your continued dedication. I'm going to give you a second to hit that like button as I do the intro. So please hit that like button and we'll cover this jam-packed update in just a moment. Make sure to hit that like button. I'll catch you on the other side of the intro. Good morning, 8:43 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Monday, July 1st, 2024. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So we're off to a great start for the week. Saddened that the weekend's over, but Monday morning means new opportunities, means a lot of confrontation for a lot of us, start of the work week. Maybe we got doctors, we've got appointments we don't want to go to, but we've also got opportunity. And we like to focus on the positive here. So the positive opportunity here, and I know we took a lot of slack the other day, but we talked about how the potential surge with Bitcoin and XRP as just 2 short days ago. If you look, I said XRP holders, we have hope. 8.7% rally sets up for XRP. Bitcoin inverse head and shoulders could surge the price. And I remember when I did that update 2 short mornings ago at this exact time, roughly, maybe about 10 a.m. 2 days ago. And I got a lot of comments stating that I was an asshole, stating that I didn't understand technical analysis, and Bitcoin was on its way from 60,000 to 58,000. I said, look, Bitcoin's on this inverse head and shoulders. It's not, I'm not sugarcoating it. I've shown this. We have this back test. We back tested the pennant flag breakout as support. That used to be resistance. I even put down, to simplify it for everybody, the technical target on a breach up. If we broke above 61,182, the technical target 63,789. Did we not hit that perfectly? So we've satisfied the technical target on the short-term consolidation on the break up. So now we don't have to worry about that short-term target to the downside. It's not that we invalidated that total move, but now we went to the upside. Now if this plays out properly, if we can get on top of 63,789 as a hold of support, which right now it's consolidating, which is normal. 4 hourly, it should catch up here a little bit. 2 hourly, we've come back down. We've gotten rejected initially by the 2 hour, 200 day, which is normal. Now we need to come down and hold 62,300 area. If we hold that, push back over 63,789, we're on our way. We'd be on our way. That's a big descending consolidation. I speculated that it came down to a head formation here. And then if it were to break back up, we could create an inverse right arm, and then it would have to come up. And this is in the shorter time frame. We're in a larger inverse head and shoulders, but we talked about how it came down like this. This could be forming a head. If it comes up here and rides this, you could be going universally back out. So huge structure here. Could very well be the bottoming part of the pattern. And if this little flag plays out bullishly, we're talking about 64, 65,000 here in the immediate short term. So we'll see how Bitcoin holds here. But definitely some optimism on this Monday morning. And as I said last week, excuse me, the more people become bearish, the more bullish I get. The more bearish others become, the more bullish I become. So that's why I made such a large purchase into the XRP Bitcoin pairing. By doing that, it allows me to hold XRP. And the price on XRP since I made that purchase has come up about 1.1%. No, more than that. A little bit more than that. But it's pretty neutral right now because the XRP Bitcoin pairing since I bought in is up about 1.6%. But I want to watch this universally, and I think something big is setting up. But it could be big to the downside as well. But I wanted to be in position. I talked very clearly about this last night in the live. So if you're a part of the live, you are definitely benefiting. XRP right now pushes over initially that short-term resistance, but now we have to be careful because that looks like a possible 2 hour reversal candle. So we'll see if we've got enough steam to continue pushing up, or if XRP is getting ready for a consolidation. It's going to be interesting this morning because we are up to this very critical 48-cent resistance, 48.2. And yesterday, if you weren't around, we talked about how important it is to not get rejected at that 48.2. And as long as we can push past that, it should open up the door to a push up that 50.5 cents. This is what I talked about, how we had hope just 2 short days ago. And that hope would have been to come up here better than 8%. Right now, we're starting to push off of here as we've come up in totality about 2%, 2.9%. But that still leaves just under 6% of this rally to go, assuming it plays true. So that is what I'm looking at. We know that 48.2 cents we must get over. Very heavy resistance. If we get over that, we'll still continue to play out of this pattern formation, and it should bring us up to a cumulative move around 50.7 cents or 51.5. It just depends how high we want to go. And then if we could break out of this and get over that pivot point at 53.3, then we could start talking about pushing up to the top of this cup and handle resistance, up at around 64.8 or 65 cents. But as of right now, we're still in this consolidatory zone that we're trying to pull up here. Daily time frame looks beautiful today. It's a beautiful engulfing candle. We've come right up to the 20-day resistance, and that's right around 48.4 cents. And now we're on our consolidatory front. So far, everything is going in the way that we want. Just pay attention to what I'm talking about with Bitcoin. The chart that I just showed for XRP is the most important areas. If we look at the XRP Bitcoin pairings, up about 1.06%. And we're back testing still. Nothing's changed from yesterday. We came down to 750. Now we've pulled up to about 7.5. What is it right now? 7.66. So we're over very nicely over this back test. And I bought in on this wick back here. I didn't get 7.50, but I got 7.52. So almost the exact bottom as of right now. But I'm trying to play off of this back test here, because if it holds, we're talking about a nice bounce here. And like, if we look at the entirety of this consolidation, you could be talking about some nice price appreciation for the XRP Bitcoin pairing if we can bounce off of this area. If we bounce off this area, we're going to be making a run up near this 974 sat level. That's the beauty of this. If we can hold this back test, we would have a nice sustained run here. And it's about a 30% move in totality. So we'll see if this can play true. I'm excited actually where we're heading with the cryptocurrency right now, because there's been a lot of downside pressure and a lot of negativity surrounding, you know, basically just the overall buzz when it comes to crypto, especially XRP. So it's very nice to see a little bit of topside pressure here this morning. And now let's get to some really important stuff. So first things first, and please make sure to hit that like button so YouTube recommends this update. If you're looking to trade XRP in the USA or around the world or many other cryptocurrencies, look in the video description below and our pinned comments. You've got HOTCOIN. You can copy trade me there. I haven't made a copy trade in a couple days. I've been more focused on other things. I would have made a copy trade in the XRP Bitcoin pairing, but you can't do that. And then HBAR was one I was going to take out in the copy trade yesterday. That was the only one in recent note that I had set up. But HBAR, unfortunately, is not available for copy trading on HOTCOIN, which is kind of sucks. Other than that, there's HOTCOIN, there's BITUNIX, and BLOFIN. I highly encourage BITUNIX as well. Copy trading starts this month on BITUNIX. I don't know the exact date, but I'll let everybody know. So get it situated, and you have an opportunity to trade for low fees with the exchanges I'm telling you. So take advantage of these opportunities. And then if you want to show me personal support, it is the start of a new month. Consider sending one YouTube super chat per month, or blessing me by joining Tom's Army and joining the family. In month one, you get the emoji badge of me being abducted by aliens. And yes, my face is superimposed on that emoji badge. And you go all the way out right now to 3 years, as we have 3-year members right now with the XRP Diamond Hands badge. So I'd love to see more of you showing that support. But at the very least, hit that like button. Let's raise our 1.3 out of every 9, or 1 out of every 9.3 people hitting the like button. Let's get it up to 3 out of every 9.3 this morning. It'd be a great start to the week. So Ripple June offload. 400 million XRP dumped. Latest 200 million XRP transfer raises eyebrows. So remnants of the 400 million XRP that Ripple reserved from its June escrow execution are on the move, raising eyebrows. The crypto community witnessed one late significant movement of XRP between two anonymous destinations just before the start of July. At 1719 UTC on Sunday, the tracking service Whale Alert highlighted the movement of 200 million XRP valued at 94.56 million from a nameless address to another. The magnitude of the XRP tokens and the transaction timing caused noticeable stir in the community. Some believe the transaction is a preparatory step to the Ripple escrow execution due today, July 11th. At the time of reporting, the community tracking service has yet to spot any escrow transactions from Ripple. Indeed, scrutiny of blockchain records suggests that the anonymous wallet involved in the latest movement of 200 million XRP may have affiliations with Ripple. The source wallet RP4X2HTA7A was activated by the destination address RJQIMB94HY last year, which was itself activated by Ripple back in 2021. Before the late Sunday transfer wallet, RP4X2HTA7A dispatched smaller bits of XRP to multiple anonymous addresses over a 10-day period. These outbound transactions followed from the 250 million Ripple deposited to the wallet on June 20th. Specifically, the inflow came from Ripple One wallet. Notably, the same Ripple wallet deposited 150 million XRP to wallet RP4 on June 7th, bringing the total outflow to 400 million XRP. Recall that the Crypto Basic earlier warned that Ripple could dump 400 million XRP in June compared to the company's average liquidation of 200 million XRP in the previous months. The suggestion emerged from deeply scrutinized the company's usually transactions and the build up to 1 billion XRP release from escrow on June 1st. Ultimately, as anticipated, the 400 million XRP reserved in Ripple's primary spendable wallet made its way to external addresses. At press time, the anonymous recipient wallet of the 200 million XRP continues to hold the tokens with no outbound transactions yet. So that's very interesting. So is this part of the escrow dump? Or was this part of the additional June offload? So we'll continue to monitor as the day goes on, and I'll continue to update you, especially going into tonight's live, if I see any significant whale movement, or movement by Ripple. But we also have XRP whales making significant noise. So XRP news: whales transfer 230 million XRP ahead of Judge Therese final decision. So the highlights of this article: XRP whales reshuffled 230 million coins in the past 24 hours. The conclusion of the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit draws near, stirring speculation surrounding the whale movements. XRP price trades notably in the green territory. So XRP whales have again taken action to shuffle 230 million coins as the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit, with fines reaching approximately $2 billion, looks for a conclusion. On-chain data shows both dumps and transfers between wallets, recorded in hand over the past day, birthing riveting speculation surrounding XRP's future price movement. The latest update in the lawsuit, wherein Judge Therese's doctrine stood in the XRP secondary sales aren't securities, has tilted the balance somewhat toward Ripple's favor. The massive whale activity emerging in the lawsuit's aftermath has gained significant traction. So whales shuffle 230 million tokens. According to the insight streamlined by Whale Alert on X, 230.93 million XRP worth 109.21 million was collectively shifted by whales over the past day. While one dumped 30.93 million coins to Bitstamp, the other shifted 200 million coins to an unknown wallet. As per the data, the renowned whale RZN was recorded as making the dump, whereas the whale RP4 shifted 200 million coins to RJQ. These transactions have stirred up somewhat mixed sentiments in the market. While one whale's transaction sparked bearish concerns, the other transaction underscored heightened on-chain activity. Also, it's worth noting that the XRP whale accumulations have surged remarkably amid the token's recent illustration of consolidation above the 46 cent level. This spike in accumulations, coupled with the recent development in Ripple lawsuit, has tilted the odds towards XRP. Meanwhile, the Ripple-backed asset traded in the green today, moving alongside the broader crypto markets movement. So XRP price springs. At the time of writing, XRP price noted gains of 1.39% over the past day to trade at 48.02 cents. Its 24-hour lows and highs were evaluated as 47.16 and 48.14 respectively. CoinGlass data spotlighted a market uptrend for the crypto with a significant uptick in its future open interest and derivatives volume. XRP OI jumped 4.31% to 606.63 million, followed by a derivatives volume upsurge of 58.3% to 499.2 million. This data underscores a significant increase in investor optimism. Nonetheless, the RSI moved along a natural territory at 45, stirring mixed sentiments on future price movements. However, a recent report by CoinGate further spotlights a potential $6 price target for XRP ahead, with the lawsuit and technical factors weighing in. See, $6 is quite extreme. We still need to get past the technical move of $1.18 to $1.50 to $1.98 and so on. But there is a lot of optimism here. And as I talked about, there's a lot of different things, a lot of moving parts in this morning's update. So if you have to, please make sure to watch this twice. So I am going to release this update. I would like everybody to have the news and notes. I want everybody to see the intentions of Ripple this morning and the whale movements so that we can see exactly where we're trending towards this morning. So it's going to be a very, very instrumental week. There's going to be a lot of stuff coming out this week. We're getting very close to a resolution in the lawsuit. And Judge Therese's decision, is being awaited on by all. So make sure you pay attention to everything. Hit that like button so YouTube recommends this update. Don't forget to consider joining Tom's Army or sending one YouTube super chat per month, or looking in the video description below under our pinned comments for the exchanges for you to trade on that take no VPN or KYC. Have a blessed morning. If you made it until the end, hashtag be better, do better in the comments.